Hey guys, ECRG here, and today I want to talk about the power of going with the flow. Hey guys, ECRG here, and today I want to talk to you guys about the power of going with the flow. Now, going with the flow is something that I've come to learn in clinical research just because of the nature of the business. Sometimes it's really high energy, you've got a lot of work to do, you're busting your butt all 8 hours of the day or more. You know, you're putting in your work, you're working overtime if you have to, and you're just putting in work. And then sometimes you go through phases where there's not really much to do. There's not much extra work that can be done. You're just kind of going with the flow. You're maybe just doing a little TMF here and there. Maybe you have one meeting a week to do meeting minutes for. You know, maybe you're not really going on monitoring visits like that. You're just kind of relaxing. And that's fine. That's just the nature of the business. You have your ups and you have your downs when it comes to workflow. So I want to just reiterate that, you know, the downs aren't always bad. You know, everyone likes to work a lot. Everyone likes to have the day go by quickly usually. But enjoy the lulls, enjoy the times when you're not working. And even though the days may go by a little bit slower, just enjoy it. Just relax, you know, go with the flow. When I first got in the industry, I remember this was a while ago, and you had to do a bunch of training at first, and then once you finish the training, there was normally a little bit of wait time before you go on to be assigned to your projects. And I remember just wanting to be so anxious to go ahead and start work and be on those projects. And now that was like the first time around that I experienced a lull was before I was assigned to the projects. And then obviously, like I said before, you experience your ups and downs. Like you go in and the project started and it was work. And then eventually they got to a point, you know, you're moved over to another project, or, you know, just started going into maintenance phase in the clinical trial or whatever the reason was. But, you know, there was a time where you just weren't doing too much work, like maybe putting in like a hard 15, 20 hours a week, and the rest of the time was just chill. And I really learned to appreciate that and enjoy that, because the whole time during the first lull period after the training, I was just anxious the whole time waiting to get to work, just asking other people for stuff I could do, like just trying to help out. But then the second time came around and I just straight enjoyed it. I really just went with the flow, and that's okay. You don't always have to be going gung-ho 100% all the time. You can go with the flow. You know, make sure you're covering your responsibilities, obviously, but just go with the flow. That's just the nature of the business. That's how things are. And it took me a while to really learn that and appreciate that and really cherish those lull times, because normally we're programmed to just go all the time. But obviously, you're going to have your ups and your downs, and it's important to appreciate the downs just as much as the ups. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm sure you guys have had your ups and downs. If you haven't had any ups and downs, I'd be really curious what you think about going with the flow. If you have any comments, please put them down below in the comment section, because I'm interested to know what you guys think about that. Maybe it took you a while to learn about going with the flow as well, but maybe you eventually came to your senses on that. So comment those thoughts and predictions down below, and I would appreciate that. So go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and subscribe. You guys know the drill. Email us at eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com. We love hearing from you guys. If you want to be interviewed or want your resume reviewed or something like that, just want to reach out to make contact, you can email us. And that's it for today, guys. Take care.